Hey everyone, Steven here with Lighting Trendz. Next to me, we have the first new Nissan Z that we had the pleasure of working on here at the shop, and I'm going to show you exactly what we did to it. This Z now features our custom Flow Series Grille Lighting kit along with custom pre-built headlights. The pre-built headlights include Flow Series DRLs top and bottom, a sequential turn signal up top, and high-powered demon eyes. So inside these pre-built headlights, we decided to do our Flow Series LEDs for the DRL, both top and bottom. In addition to that, we did a high-powered demon eye which illuminates the projector lens. Lastly, what we decided to do was take this build to the next level and add a sequential turn signal that is separate from the Flow Series LEDs. This was done using a Ghost V5 sequencer. It gives a much brighter, cleaner turn signal. Me personally, there's nothing I hate more than an amber side marker, so we also decided to paint the factory side marker satin black, and we decided to remove the LED so that there's no amber LEDs whatsoever aside from the turn signal. Another feature I personally love about these lights is with it being on the Blue Ghost controller, we could do dual colored DRLs. This goes great with the gold and blue vinyl wrap that the customer has on this vehicle. Up next, we have our Flow Series Grille Lighting kit. We did 2 strips on the top, 2 strips on the bottom, and it gives it a really clean look. This is ran on our Galaxy Pro Bluetooth controller that allows you to control it from your phone, giving you full effects, different chasing patterns, solid colors, whatever you'd like. When everything's fully lit up, it all ties together. Flow Series Grille, dynamic DRLs, glowing demon eyes, and fluid turn signals. It's fully synchronized and every component works together for a cohesive, modern lighting package. Now, lighting like this isn't plug and play. The headlights are fully disassembled, components are installed, sealed, tested, and professionally wired. Now, since this is the first of its kind, we had to get a little bit creative. We decided to remove the factory LEDs and put our 5-volt Flow Series LED pods in place. Doing it this way allowed for us to retain that factory diffused look and makes the lights look really consistent and clean. Another thought we had is nothing's ever going to be as bright as single colored LEDs, so when we're removing the factory DRL and turn signal, we had the thought of doing an amber sequential turn signal separate from the Flow Series LEDs. Now, that was a lot of work doing the Ghost V5 sequencer and making it look the way it does. However, there is a direct fit DRL kit with sequential amber LEDs coming soon. Now, if you're looking for a setup like this for your Z, we do offer both send-in services and full pre-built headlights. Regardless of which option you choose, you'll receive our industry-leading build quality and support. Got questions? Reach out. Our team is always happy to help you build something that you're proud to drive. Thanks for watching. Be sure to you want me to wait till he's out? Get the out. Thanks for watching. I see you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more lighting builds in the future. If you're ready to upgrade your Nissan Z, or really any vehicle, head over to lightingtrendz.com.